Alright, we already did a run up and we just back taxied to 1-2, so we are going to go ahead and turn and burn on this one. Let's go ahead and get line back up at the runway. We don't have that 90-degree turning some of these things do. Alright, and it is a short runway, so I'm probably going to do a short field takeoff. So let's line her up, and Mustang Beach traffic, 6548 Juliet is taking off, active 1-2, departure to the south, Mustang Beach. There's our power, airspeed's alive. Let's release. 50, 60, 70, rotate, and we are airborne. All right, and as you can see,